It's so comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have felt from.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to the dog park. We're at a pit stop getting gas. This will be Saber's third time at the dog park. The first time when we went, he was super scared. I don't think I recorded it. He was super scared. Maybe, I think it was right after he got all his shots. So maybe 4 months, is that when they usually get their shots? And then the second time there was like no one there because we went super late, probably after everyone had gone already. It was like 8, but like the sun was still out. And now it's our third time. Oh, and the second time when we went, he was more open because there wasn't a lot of dogs, but there was like 1 or 2 that kept coming in and out, and they were like super chill dogs, and I think he was warming up that way. So maybe this time, if there are a lot of dogs, he will be a little bit better with not running away or just being apart, because he would just like stay around us or just do his own thing or just follow Leia. So hopefully this time he'll be more open to saying hi to the doggies. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? You ready? You ready to go? Are you ready? Yes, Leia knows exactly where we're going. Whenever we get in the car, Leia just knows that we're either going to the dog park or going to my mom's, and my mom has a big backyard. So either way, if we're going in the car, we're going somewhere fun, aren't we? All right, we'll see you guys at the dog park.
And I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to